Okay, good afternoon, Miss.
Yes, sir.
Today we are going to do the evaluation for Mathematica, Math, and Science. So we have Mathematica homework here. Oke, Miss, untuk pertanyaan pertama bisa dijelaskan?
Oke, 3/4 kali 2/5 sama dengan 6/20. Jika 2/3 dibagi 1/4 hasilnya 8/3. Santi miliki 3/4 kilo tepung terigu dibungkus ke dalam 3 plastik. 1/3.
Oke.
Hasil dari 4/5 kali 6 4 kali 6 24/5 sama dengan 4/5. Sebuah tali panjangnya 4/1/2 dipotong menjadi 2 bagian. Berapa panjang tali tersebut? Can I use this?
Sure.
4/1/2 dibagi 9/2. 1/4 14 kali 3 42 dibagi 2 21. Hitunglah 4 kali 2 8 tambah 3. Is it 4, sir?
Yeah, is it 4?
11/4 dikali 3 kali 3 tambah 1 4. 4/3, 44/12 sama dengan 44 bagi 12 36, 44 kurang 36, 14 kurang 8. Oke. 8/12 sama dengan 3 dibagi 4, 2/3.
Yeah.
Oke, Pak Somad memerlukan 1/5
Ini, Miss.
meter pita untuk menghias baju. Panjang pita yang dibutuhkan untuk menghias 10 baju adalah 1/5 dikali 10 sama dengan 2.
Oke, 2 meter. Miss. Oke, kita langsung ke pertanyaan soal cerita, Miss.
Ibu memiliki 16 kg gula yang akan dipakai untuk membuat kue. Masing-masing memerlukan 1/4 kilo. Berapa kue yang dapat dibuat ibu? 16 dibagi 1/4. Ibu memiliki 16 kilo gula yang akan dipakai untuk buat kue. Masing-masing kue itu 1/4. Berarti 16 kilo dibagi 1/4 sama dengan 6 kali 4, 24. Wait, yes, sir. I gotta...
Yeah, sure.
Ibu memiliki 16 kilo, lalu dia pakai itu 1/4 untuk setiap kilo. Berarti 16. Berapa banyak kue yang dapat dibuat? 6 kali 4, 24, 64.
Ya, 64.
Oke, Pak Jono beli 10 lusin. Oke, 1 lusin sama dengan 12 pieces. 12 buah. Setiap anak itu mendapatkan setengah lusin. Jumlah anak yang mendapatkan pensil adalah ini kan setengah lusin, berarti ini 6 pensil. Berarti 10 kali 12 sama dengan 120. 120 dibagi 6 pensil sama dengan 20. Jadi 20 anak.
Ya, ada 20 anak. Okay, Miss. Now we can move to science. Okay, we can go to this question only.
Okay, tubes that carry blood all around the body are blood vessel. Visible gas produced when something burns, often smells unpleasant, is known as smoke. Blood in the arteries is rich in oxygen. The smallest blood vessels are the capillaries.
Oh yeah.
The largest blood vessel are the arteries. Okay, what is the main function of the circulatory system in the human body? The main function of circulatory system is transport oxygen, hormones to our body and remove waste throughout the body. Describe the path air takes when you breathe in. The air will enter from the nose through the nostril in your nose, and then goes down to the trachea into the bronchi. After that, will be in your lungs, especially in the alveoli.
Okay. Now we move to math. Okay, this is still about this is place value.
Sorry, sir, this is not place value. Very basic.
Oh yeah.
This is actually the combination of chapter 1 and chapter 2. But I think the most from chapter 2.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, we can find the question. This question first.
Okay, calculate 45 plus 3 times, okay, this one, 30. So it will be 90, 135.
Okay.
Okay, around 7.36 to the nearest whole number, it should be 7. Okay, this 1, 3 times 6, 18 plus 3 times 9 equals to 27. 117 plus 18. 5. Okay, 135.
Okay, next.
What comes next? Okay, A 0.85. What comes next? 3.03. And then is 235,000.
Okay, 235,000. Okay, this question is.
Okay, Namiya has 90 mangoes to pack equally into 9 boxes. Unfortunately, 3 of the boxes are damaged. She decided to pack all the mangoes equally into remaining boxes. How many mangoes will each box contain? 90 mangoes, 9 boxes. Okay, 90. Then divided 9 minus 3. So 90 divided 6 equals to 15. So there are 15 mangoes. Okay, divide 8.4 by 10 and write the result. Okay, we should divide it 8.4 by 10 and then move 1 digit to the left place. So it will be 84 hundredths.
Okay.
We move 1 digit to the left.
Okay, Miss. Now maybe we can move to the book. So for this week, you will have a science project as well, right? So could you explain could you explain how the science project is?
Should I use the model?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So the science project will use the lung model. So as we know, we have respiratory, we have the organ of respiration, nose, nostril, and trachea, and also the lungs, diaphragm. The diaphragm is the muscle that helps the lungs breathe in and breathe out. So in this model, the trachea is the straws, and the lungs, we have 2 small balloons inside. This bottle describe your chest, and this the balloon at the bottom will show us diaphragm.
Diaphragm.
The diaphragm will help the muscle, the lungs. Okay, if you pull the bottom balloon down like this, the air will enter to the trachea as a straw here to the lungs. There are 2 lungs we have. And then if you pull up the bottom balloon, it will be relaxed. The lungs inside will be relaxed because the air moves out or get rid. As we know, we will take in the oxygen like this. The lungs will contract, the lungs will enter, the air will enter the lungs in balloons inside. And then when we pull up the balloon like this, the lungs inside will relax. As we know, this balloon, the bottom balloon, is our diaphragm. Diaphragm is the muscle who help our lungs breathe in and breathe out.
Okay. So that is the function of diaphragms, right?
Yes.
Okay. I see. Okay, maybe we can move to place expose book. So we have this kind of expose book contains
Until
the
multiple choice on this. We only discussed this.
Until 15.
Yes.
Okay. This one contains all the question.
Perkalian pecahan.
Oh iya. Berarti untuk minggu depan ada pembelajaran ini.
Ada, yes. Bertahap karena buku kemarin kan belum fix. Pertama flash, terus disuruh Rizal juga expose dikumpul, ternyata tidak.
Oke. Oke, mungkin soal nomor 13, Miss.
Mana sih? Tubik.
Oh ya. Oke.
Dalam sehari, Pak Wayan membutuhkan 1/4 kilo untuk pakan ayamnya. Banyak pupuk yang harus dibeli Pak Wayan untuk memenuhi kebutuhan selama 1 minggu adalah 1 minggu itu 7 hari. Jadi 1/4 kilo kali 7 sama dengan 7/4 kilo atau bisa kita sederhanakan menjadi 3/4 kilo.
Oh ya. Oke, jadi ini masih tentang pecahan. Oh ya, so for this week, math is about project.
Project.
Okay, could you explain about what is the project?
Okay, the project is about decimal. Decimal and also I will show them some we use dollars for this. For example, one pen it will be $1.17. So how many cost for 3 pens? Okay, I will show them the worksheet and then they will do together as I did in Mathematica. I will provide one question and then the answer. So they will find the answer because some students still make error calculating. So for example, they got 17.1, but they didn't get it. So the answer, they cannot find the answer. So this is can make them working together, and also make them to calculate properly. So they should know the decimal point. Because some of them, for example, 0.5 times 3, they can calculate 0.15. So I provide one question and so one number in different places. They will try to find and then make sure they can count properly.
Yeah, okay, I see. So they do the project into the group.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Okay, so I think because there is no summary point and vocabulary list, right? There's no summary point and vocabulary list for this week. Yeah, I think that is all for our evaluation today.